There are activities in our business. Yung tinatawag kong feel-good activities. Ano ibig sabihin, Sir Jon, ng feel-good activities? Para siyang marshmallow. Kumuha ka ng marshmallow, kinain mo, masarap. Nag-enjoy ka. Pero nagkaroon ba ng nutrition ng katawan mo? Yes or no? Can you type in sa ating chat box? Come on, guys. Of course not. Pero nasarapan ka. So may mga activities tayo minsan na ganun. Be careful with that because it makes you think that you are working on your business but actually not, because you are simply trying to avoid activities or things to do that are ultimately more important than, say, picking the right logo, designing your logo, picking the right color for your Facebook page, your website, all those things, checking out these new tools, WordPress plugin, all the technical stuff. Meron ka pang kung meron ka pang mga tasks that you haven't done, right? Or even creating a product. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.